Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I found an old gaming PC lying around and I thought it would be interesting to see how it performs in some benchmarks and stress tests. But before we dive into that, let me give you a quick rundown of the PC's components in case you're interested in building a similar one. The processor is an Intel Core i3-6980P, and the motherboard is an ASUS H110MCS. For RAM, it has a DDR4 4GB HyperX Fury module. The graphic card is a Zodiac GT 710GB, and it has a Seagate 500GB hard drive and a 120GB SSD. The power supply is an IBL 500 watt, and the cabinet is a Zebronics. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is not a PC build from scratch, but rather an old gaming PC that I found. How it performs in some tests. First up, let's run some game benchmarks and see how it handles some popular games. As you can see, the PC is struggling to keep up with some of the more demanding games, but it's still able to handle some of the less demanding ones. Now let's move on to the Cinebench R23 score and see how the processor performs. The score is not too impressive, but keep in mind that this is an older processor and it's not meant for high-end performance. Finally, let's stress test the graphic card and see how it handles under heavy load. Overall, the PC is able to handle some basic gaming and tasks, but it's definitely showing its age. If you're looking to build a gaming PC, I would recommend going for more powerful components. But if you're on a budget, this PC could still be a decent option for some light gaming and tasks. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description if you're interested in buying any of the components I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.